Like a knob jockey in the wrong fucking lane. That's Mr. Grumpy. Oh my god. Now we have a Lamborghini four-wheel drives or Lamborghini SUVs. Oh, come on. Ugh. How can you destroy your brand name with that? Oh, really? What are you cutting the fucking corner for? Where are you going, mate? Fuck me, where are you going? No fucking idea. What are you doing? It's a slip road! Fucking slip road, you don't stop! Oh, good on you. Fucking idiots. It's the second time. Well, what's this guy in the Merc thinks he's gonna do? No, he's got no fucking idea. No. Put his left hand indicator on, then his right one, and then now he's staying where he is.
Oh no, that's a bad sign, Peter. The siren is not a good sign. That means somebody fucked up badly.
Fucking dickhead. Fuck you, clown. Fucking idiot. 2G4, GCR. What a fucking dickhead. You're a fucking idiot, mate. You're a fucking idiot. You're a fucking idiot, mate. You're a fucking idiot. You're a fucking idiot. It's all on camera, mate. All on camera. Fucking idiot. Fucking wanker. Come on, you fuckers. We've got idiots blocking the fucking intersection again. Fuck me. It's so fucking hard they gotta block the fucking intersection. They're blocking the fucking roundabout up here. I don't fucking understand it. Is someone fucking going left, right? What the fuck? Oh, fucking dickhead trying to fucking turn left. He's blocking the fucking intersection. Oh god, look at the fucking traffic there. Oh, good on you, buddy. That's what I like to see, some skilled driving there. You're in a right turn only lane, and then you suddenly dive across to do that. That's good driving. go. Yep, dickhead, straight through the fucking red light, you fucking clown. Fucking unbelievable. And crossed the lane too. More fucking dickheads than you can poke a stick at.
Red light stop, green light go, yellow light go, very fast.
What are you fucking sitting there for, mate? What are you sitting there for? That's it. Yeah, it is a speed limit.
What the heck is he doing? What an idiot. Smart ass. The fucking front row sat there. This guy's been busting his gut to get around him, and the bloke in the front row just sat there when the lights changed.
So he must have been annoyed with him too.
Yeah.
Must have seen what he did.
We go through the red light. Gotcha.
Remember to look when reversing, people.
George of the jungle, strong as he can be. Watch out for that tree.